Welcome to Melfem News. On this channel, I will keep you updated about Kaizer Chiefs. Today, I'm going to update you about Yusuf Maat. We all have seen Maat has been consistent this season, but we have to give credit where it is due. Maat played well in last few games, although he is not at his best yet. If he could start next season with the same confidence of the last games, he could do great. He returned to his best form. His combination with Cele will be very instrumental next season. They both need to pull up their game because Castillo is back. And there must be another addition in the midfield. An on-form Maat and Cele in the middle of the park is what we need next season. Because we all know games are won in the middle. Maat is a great player, hard worker, but he needs to do better and start next season with the form he is in these last few games of this season, that he will be good to go. I really hope this national team collab will boost his confidence. For more Kaizer Chiefs updates, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can keep you updated daily.